Hello everyone, in today's video I want to share with you 7 looks you can wear when you are in a rush, either now for New Year's Eve or for any other night out event. In this look number 1, I went after absolute basic. Most of you have a little black dress laying around, so going after it would be one of my preferred ways how to dress. In this example, I paired it with black ties and kitten heel slingbacks. I love the proportions of this little black dress. Even though it is a mini dress, it still has elegant neckline and long sleeves, which adds an elegant touch to it. This is a quite minimal look followed by minimal accessories. There are many ways how you can style your black dress with boots, pumps, or instead of black ties, transparent ties would also work. The dress I'm wearing is from H&M and I absolutely love this simple, minimal yet classy look. Going after black from head to toe would be one of my favorite ways how to dress for New Year's Eve. Black from head to toe always brings an elegant touch to the look and that's what I simply adore. In this look over here, I paired a little bit more elevated piece such as this black silky skirt from H&M and this absolutely basic black top also from H&M. I simply adore the neckline of this shirt and how simple and basic it is. I finished this look by adding black belt whose golden buckle matches the golden necklace over the shirt. I kept on black ties and black slingbacks and on top I popped over this oversized blazer. I just love how both this blazer and the shirt pair down this look and make it so cool looking while it still appears elegant. Another easy go-to look for me has to include leather pants. They are the staple in our wardrobe that can be worn for various occasions. In this look, I styled my Zara leather pants with this elegant white blazer on top. Under the blazer, I have a simple white top and I finished this look with black pumps and black purse. We often forget to go after the simplest of the pieces and for those moments when we have to get dressed on a short notice, this would be one of the looks that can always provide you with elegance and comfort. In this example, I buttoned down this blazer, but cinching a blazer would also work perfectly. I just love how this look appears so elegant even though I'm wearing absolute basics. So don't forget that for New Year's Eve or any other event, we don't need to look any further past our basics. One of the easy ways to incorporate elegance to our wardrobe would be through satin midi skirt. In this look over here, I paired this Zara satin skirt with black sparkly top. I did a side tuck and that's all that I found necessary in order to style it. I finished the look with the same black slingbacks and black purse. Even though entire look is black from head to toe, each one of these pieces adds something special to the look. Satin skirt provides elegant touch to the look, while sparkly shirt adds festive element, which makes this look appropriate for any New Year's Eve celebration. This is again one of those looks that you can put together in a minute, simply because styling black from head to toe is always so easy and by doing so you will create chic yet effortless look. I love how I can always count on the basic pieces from my wardrobe simply because I can always create effortless yet chic looking outfits. In this look over here, I paired this gorgeous high-waisted mini skirt with simple and basic white shirt from Styleway. I love how I don't need to add almost any effort for this look to appear night out appropriate, while those sparkle buttons on the skirt add a festive touch to this look. Same as it goes in previous looks, I finished this look with the same black slingbacks and black purse. I am aware that this look appears a little bit cold looking, so for that reason instead of slingbacks, you can go after a black knee-high boots and transparent ties. Needless to say, but a shirt tucked inside a mini dress will always bring an elegant yet night-out feel to your style. This look would again be one of those basics. We often forget to suit up, whether we are talking about New Year's Eve celebration or any other night out event. But suiting up always brings an effortless touch to the look, and I simply adore this brainless way of styling, especially when you are in a rush. You simply can't do any wrong. In this look, I went for all black look because that's my personal preference. But going after white suit, cream suit, silver suit, or any other tone would make it perfect for the event. In this look, I paired this oversized black blazer with black pants from Zara. Underneath the blazer, I have a lacy top, and I finished the look with black pumps and red Zara purse for a dose of something special, just to stand out and make this look pop off. Incorporating silky pieces always works perfect when we are creating night out outfits. Silk always adds effortless yet chic and elegant touch to our look. So for that reason in this look I went after this silk mini skirt from H&M and I matched it with this black silky shirt from Zara. I finished the look with black slingbacks and black purse, but instead of slingbacks, black knee-high boots would also look super chic and elegant with the rest of the look. It is important to remember to always seek after those silky, satin, velvet or lacy pieces when we need to put together an outfit in a rush. Those pieces will always work like a charm. And it is needless to say, but they always look so perfect for these festive occasions. So these will be all of the looks that I prepared for you in today's video. Maybe some of them inspire you to create something similar in case you find yourself in a need for some night out outfits. That will be all from me in this year. I wish you all a happy new year and yeah, I see you all in the next one. Bye bye!